Today we're making Buffalo Ranch popcorn. We're going to be making Buffalo Ranch popcorn today. And to do that, we're going to be using popcorn kernels, buffalo seasoning, which we got at the grocery store, and ranch seasoning, which is a gold medal product. So let's get popping. 1.5 cups of butter coconut oil, 3 cups of corn. All right, we put that popcorn in this bag, and then we're gonna add our seasoning to it. So this is 1/3 cup of the ranch seasoning, and we're gonna add 1/3 cup of the buffalo seasoning. And now we're gonna mix it up. All right, and there we go. Oh wow, that smells really good. Take a look at that. Look how nice and seasoned that is. Let's get a couple pieces here. Wow, look at that. Look at all those pieces of seasoning in there. Let's give it a try. Oh, that's got a little bit of a spice to it. That's a nice little kick. You can taste that buffalo, and it kind of, the ranch kind of melds over the whole flavor profile of that buffalo. And it's nice and crunchy, but yet it's like almost like creamy with that ranch. That is really great. So you can make this too. Check the links down below for the buffalo seasoning and also the ranch seasoning. And get out there and get popping.